may mga reports na nagsasabi na even though may price freeze sa ngayon, meron pa rin daw ilang mga supermarkets, I don't know where exactly, na nagtaas na ng presyo. Gaano po ito katotoo?
Yeah. Chad, let me correct that. I don't think there's a price freeze right now. No, DTI,
Okay.
upon our last meeting with the National Price Coordinating Council, which we are a member of, no, walang dineclare na price freeze. That was made very clear. No, they wanted things to flow freely and in a free market like ours, no, and see that kung kailangan, tsaka mag-regulate. So wala pa naman sinabing state of national calamity or emergency.
So, there's no price freeze? Hindi po,
Yes.
paano po yung inilabas sa statement last time ng DTI na sa loob ng 30 days, habang mataas daw po yung presyo, mananatiling stable yung mga produkto po natin? Wala pong gano'n na pag-uusap?
Pakiusap. Yun ang
Pakiusap.
Pakiusap
Okay.
sa mga manufacturers. And so far it's working. So let's keep it that way, no?
Oo.
Di naman wala namang pasaway, wala namang, kasi once you shoot the first bullet, bang, 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 bang. Isa na yan,
Oo.
di ba? So far it's good. Kaya nga yun na nga. Government should continue, no, to monitor the situation and come up with measures nga, like I said, no. There are some very creative measures na narinig ko. For example, the jeepney groups, no, nagsabi nung iba, why not increase their prices para hindi sila mahirapan naman during rush hours, no, which they have to dictate from what hour to what hour. Of course, merong siguradong pasaway na hindi susunod, no, kaya lang, or hindi, mag-take advantage, no. Pero these are all, for me, good measures if people will will comply and follow and para medyo may order ng konti at mas mano. So by doing that, people will have to leave offices either earlier or later para hindi sumabay, less traffic, less congestion, less gas consumed, no? Yun isa sa mga measures that I'm saying. So different sectors can come up with creative measures to help do that, no? DTI is also suggesting co-loading, which means 4-3 kumpanya magde-deliver sa isang tindahan, sabay-sabay sila, syempre, hindi competing products yan, tsaka iba yung food, iba yung non-food, no? Tapos yun na nga, pagbagsak ng isang truck sa isang tindahan, 4 na kumpanyang bumaba. Binaba yung mga produkto ng 4 na kumpanya at hindi isa. That way, isang truck lang ang tumatakbo for 4 companies in one area than 4 na trucks ang tumatakbo for 4 companies. No? That's just one example.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph, at pwede niyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, laging true sa'yo, kapatid.
Dito tayo sa